Yeah. Waiting area. Everybody's waiting. Chinese, Korean, no locals. And there we have to see it. We must see it somewhere over there. Okay, here we go. Hello.
Let's go.
On our way to the whale shark, I hope. There's one? Hi, Kuya. There's one whale shark?
Yeah, only one.
Okay.
Sa kabuo.
Ngano usara ma? Usara? Pero may ra usa? O di karon la usa.
Vacuum. Vacuum. Bawon.
Ah.
Because of the wave. That's why.
Ah, okay. Need to be there somewhere. Anak.
Oh.
Your daughter
Yeah, anak.
and your wife.
Asawa.
Asawa.
May kumpirma ka.
Hello. Hello vlog. Hello world.
Hello, welcome to Hello, Shirt Watching. Our guest today from
Ano ang pangalan mo?
My name is Bonbon.
Who?
Bonbon.
Bonbon. Ikaw?
Mark Guapo.
Mark Guapo. Papa P. Onin. Okay, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming here, sir.
The pleasure is all mine.
I hope we will go to Netherlands and find a job so that we can build our dream house, the 3-story house, because we live here.
Find yourself a Dutch woman then.
And I will find a perfect dress for my heart.
Yeah, and you can put a tattoo on
I
it.
will make tattoo here because the last time
I got you.
Ay, okay.
What? Ang dami mong alam.
Ang dami mo alam.
Di ba ang dami mo alam?
I will not trust girl anymore.
It will come again. Here.
What was that, sir?
If you want to see yourself back,
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
give him also.
Nag-vlog man na siya.
Ah, sir, you have your vlog? Is your vlog? I will follow you.
It's there. It's on the card.
Ronald.
It's Dutchman Adventures. It's on Facebook and YouTube.
Okay, I will follow you.
The other one is also
Of course.
here for the other one.
May pulse?
Saan nga pulse sa ma'am?
O sa na...
Sa amo na pala.
Ay, sa amo na.
it's in it's
Sa Leyte.
It's
Tinago Falls. Here.
yeah, the other one.
Oh.
And the other one next to it is in Italy.
Where?
That
This?
one.
This?
That one. No, the second one. It's in
This
Italy.
where the first.
It's also Italy.
Italy?
Yeah. And this one is in Caibiran. Biliran.
Leyte. Oh, dapat teknik. Oh, butang daw niya.
Sabay. Ma'am Sulo. Uy, Ma'am Sul, ha? Ay. I will follow your vlog.
Sige, salamat kuya.
Salamat.
Tara.
Salamat, kuya.
Nung dumadami na yung tao. Oh.
Sa YouTube.
YouTube o Facebook.
Facebook.
Bago rami vlog kaya wala pa may daghan na followers.
Is it on? Sabi na hinter to guys.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Tara.
Tara, let's go. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Bye.
Salamat po. Have a nice day. Salamat. Bye-bye. Take care. Okay. New adventure. All of a sudden we go to a waterfall. But of course it's not an adventure if it's an adventure. Oh my god, it's a creepy pot. Look, oh, it's not really common. I think we are, if we are there, we are alone. There's nobody there, only us. Oh my god. Whose idea was this? There is no one? Nobody? Only us. We can die here and nobody knows. Serious? It's idyllic, or how you call it in English, idyllisch in Dutch. Look like this. Oh my god. What's cold water? It's kind of nice. Huh? Nee, van de bek weer nat. Jawel dan. Ja, dat voel ik. Ik kan er wel in lopen, dat is wel lekker. It's nice. This is some kind of hidden treasure. Hij er nog heen of niet? Oh, nee. Het is wel lekker dat koude water uit voeten. Sugigi Falls. Not touristic, nobody here, only us. That's nice. Oh, it's not a big one, but it's a slide, I think. You can slide off there.
Yeah.
It's nice.